Welcome back to my poetry channel, Miss Hamdan Fan, where every word has soul. She's the woman I love more than anyone. The first moment. There are moments that never fade, not because they were loud or grand, but because they were quiet, pure, and breathtaking real. The first time I saw her, the world didn't stop. It simply changed its rhythm, as if the universe whispered, remember this one. She's the one you will love more than anyone. The first moment I saw her, time turned gentle. The air between us became poetry, and even silence started to speak in verses my heart could understand. She wasn't trying to impress, she didn't need to. Her presence carried the calm of a thousand sunsets, the warmth of every sunrise I had ever missed. There was something divine about her simplicity. No diamonds, no gold, no pretense. Just the kind of praise that makes even angel bows. She looked up one, our eyes met, and I swear I forgot every name I had ever known. Only hers remained, though I hadn't heard yet. I told myself it was just attraction, that maybe it would fade like a passing breeze. But they turned into nights and she stayed, not in my sight, but in my soul. Everywhere I went, her memory walked beside me like a shadow of light I could never escape. I tried to find words to explain it, but how do you describe a feeling that has no language? She became the echo in my silence, the meaning behind my prayers, and the reason my heart refused to rest. She wasn't like anyone I had ever met. Her smile, soft, honest, unguarded, could melt anger into peace and turn pain into poetry. And when she spoke, even the winds leaned closer, afraid to miss the melody in her voice. I remember that first conversation, words, pauses wrapped in magic. I asked her about the title things, her favorite color, her dream, her fear, her laughter. She answered with eyes that carried galaxies. And when she laughed, I realized happiness wasn't something you search for. Sometimes it simply wears her face. She wasn't perfect, and I never wanted her to be. Perfection is lifeless, but she She was beautifully alive. She had scarce stories and a strength that whispered through every breath she took. I fell for her truth, not her illusion. I loved her depth, not her surface. Sometimes I think love begins the moment your heart recognizes home, not in a palace, but in a person. With her, I found that home. I could be silent and still feel heard. I could be broken and still feel whole. She never asked me to be a prince, but with her, I became one, not because of power, but because she made me worthy of it. She taught me that real love isn't loud, it's calm, steady, and patient. It's the way her eyes stay soft even when life turns hard. It's the way her hand fit perfectly in mine, not because of shape, but because of destiny. There were nights I would look at the stars and wonder, that did I ever do to deserve her? Maybe nothing. Maybe love isn't about deserving at all. Maybe it's about being chosen by the heart, without reason, without condition. She once told me, you don't have to promise me forever. Just love me truly, one heartbeat at a time. And that's what I have done. Every heartbeat since that first moment has been a silent vow to never let go. I have met many people, but she is the only one who made my soul feel visible. She didn't just see me, she understood me. When the world turned cold, she became my warmth. When I lost my way, she became my compass. When I doubted love, she became its proof. She is the kind of woman who could walk into chaos and leave peace behind, the kind who could be hurt, yet still choose kindness. Her strength isn't in how loud she stands, it's in how softly she heals. And maybe that's why I love her more than anyone. Because in a world full of noise, she silenced that soothes. In a life full of faces, she's the one I see even with closed eyes. I still remember the first time she looked at me, not as a man of fame or title, but simply as a man who could love her right. That gaze changed me. I stripped away pride and left only sincerity. It made me realize that true love doesn't ask, "What can you give me?" It whispers, "How can I make you feel safe?" Since that day, I have written her name in poems, spoken it in prayers, and carried it like a secret, blessing through every storm. She doesn't know how much power her love holds, how it steadies me, how it makes me believe that destiny is rare. Years may pass, kingdom may fall, but that first moment will never fade. It's written in my heartbeat, painted in my memory, and sealed in my soul. She's not just the woman I love, she's the reason I believe in love at all. If my story ends tomorrow, I want the world to know this truth. She's the woman I love more than anyone. And it all began with that first moment when her eyes met mine and eternity began. Did this poem touch your heart? Like, comments, and share. Thanks for watching my channel. Goodbye.